Hi there! Are you planning a trip to Japan? If yes, you should know about Japan Rail Pass. It's the best way of traveling within Japan without spending too much money. Whether you are visiting Osaka for Expo, exploring Kyoto's temple, or enjoying Tokyo's city life, this pass makes traveling super easy. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about JR Pass to make your trip smooth and fun. What is the Japan Rail Pass? Japan Rail Pass is a special train pass for tourists. It allows you to ride most trains run by Japan Railways, also called JR. If you remember our video about EU Rail Pass, the Japan Rail Pass is similar but only for Japan. The pass includes Shinkansen, fast express trains, and slower local trains. With the 2025 Osaka Expo coming up, many people will visit Japan. JR Pass is the great way to travel without buying a ticket every time. There are 3 options for the JR passes. 7 days around $331, 14 days around $530, 21 days around $662. You can also choose the green pass, which is like a first class. It costs about 30% more, but you get the bigger seat and quieter ride. How to buy the JR Pass? It's best to buy the pass online before your trip. You'll find many websites selling it. After buying, you get a voucher. Once you're in Japan, take a voucher to any JR office and exchange it to the pass. Don't forget your passport.
I'm right now at Shibuya in front of a ticket office shop where I can exchange my Japan Rail Pass voucher, which I purchased in Germany before I came to Japan. So I'm going inside now and exchange it and see how everything works. Hello, I just want to exchange this voucher.
Okay. 明日から。わかりました。ありがとうございます。So I got the card. They said we can just put in that machine when we use the trains, but it's from tomorrow. You can even activate it at the airport, so you can use it on your first train ride. Where can you travel with the JR Pass? The JR Pass covers almost all Shinkansen lines, including the famous routes between Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. You can also ride local JR trains, some buses and ferries. But here's what the pass doesn't cover: private train lines and subways. Moreover, you cannot ride the Shinkansen called Nozomi and Mizuho. Instead, you'll use slightly slower trains like Hikari or Sakura, which are still very fast. During the expo, Shinkansen will be crowded, so make sure to reserve the seat. It's easy and ensures a comfortable trip. When the JR Pass might not be worth it. The JR Pass isn't always the cheapest option. For example, if you travel from Tokyo to Osaka and then use local JR line from Osaka to nearby places such as Kyoto, Nara, Kobe, before going back to Tokyo, then buying individual tickets will cost less than a 7-day JR Pass. Plus, you can ride the fastest Shinkansen, Nozomi, which is not included in the JR Pass. For short trips like Osaka to Kyoto, it's often more convenient to skip the JR Pass and use the local trains, since the Shinkansen stations are fewer and might take extra time to reach. Budget-friendly tips without the JR Pass. Even if you don't have a JR Pass, you can still save money. Near train stations, you'll find ticket shops selling discount vouchers for train tickets.
I'm buying cheap tickets from the ticket shop.
These can save you 5 to 20% on Shinkansen tickets.
Original price. And I got it with this price for one ticket. And you have to make sure that you have cash, enough cash, because we can only pay with card. This is the receipt.
However, buying those vouchers may take you some time and effort. That's it. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. If you want to know more about Japan and Japanese culture, please check out our videos about our traditional Japanese house. I hope you will have a wonderful time traveling in Japan.